What's up, guys? Welcome back to Big Money Fishing. We're out here at Choke Canyon. First time for me to be out here. First time ever fishing it. So we're gonna see what we could get into. I'm gonna fish this nice little spot right here. Maybe we'll come over here to these rocks. I don't know. See what's up over here. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some worms, and there's a lot of grass today. Well, I don't know today if it's always like this or just today. Sounds like we got some duck hunters out there. I could hear the guns going off. Yeah, I just gotta be careful. I don't want to slip and fall. Oh. Yeah, that rock was pretty slippery. Oh, they're all pretty slippery. Yeah. Let me see if I can get off these rocks. There we go. There we go. So I brought my big rods because I don't know how far I gotta cast out. But this is where we're gonna be at. And like I was saying, I got some chicken liver and some worms. And the recommendation, the guy at the bait shop here. So let's see what we could get into. So let me rig up all my rods because they're not rigged up, and then we'll go from there. We'll see y'all here in a bit. All right, guys, here goes the first one. I loaded it up with liver, so let's see what we get. There's the first cat. Boom. Out there. To be honest, I don't even know how deep it is out there. Oop, the sand was soft. Cool. Tight lines here. And then we'll rig up the other two. Alright. Here we go. So I'm gonna rig up these other two and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna put worm on one of them and then liver on the other. So I'll let y'all know once we hook up. We're fish on, guys. I'm just need to finish tying this up. That was on the chicken liver. Let me. I think he's still on there. Got stuck in my pocket. All right, let's get this guy. Ah, he came off, I guess. He was on. We'll get it back out there. Yeah, he ate the chicken liver. Yeah. But yeah, he was hitting it. He was hitting it. Let's get back out there. I guess he just didn't get hooked up good enough. That's not bad. I already got a hit within the first 5-10 minutes I've been out here, and I just been rigging up this time here. Alright, there we go. Get some more chicken liver over here. Put it on this rod. I hate chicken liver, guys. If I haven't mentioned it, I really do. Alright guys, I'll get back with you as soon as we get another hit. He's getting hit. This stupid chicken liver doesn't stay on. So I hate it. Oh, here guys. Oh yeah. Woo. Here it comes, baby. My first choke canyon fish. Hoo hoo hoo. I'm talking about. Yeah. And he choked it. Man, check him out. First fishy of the day. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Get him. Let me get him unhooked. You hear him grunting? Open up, guy. Open up. Let it go. He won't open up. Alright guys, there he goes. He's just a little disoriented. There he goes. Oh, first one right there. So I'm talking about on the chicken liver. I haven't even finished setting up yet. So let me. I think I'm just gonna reuse this chicken liver here. Yeah, baby. Let's see if we could get some monsters out here. This makes me very happy. Another one. Alright, let me finish tying this one up so I could have 3 rods out there. Nope, nothing on it. Nothing on it. Fishing out there with no bait. They already took it. I hate fishing with chicken liver. Oh, this one got a good hit right here. Ah, whatever hit it, just let go of it. Oh man, that was like Big hit. Let's get it back out there. I should have just left it. Let's see if he comes back. Oh, now. Come on, take hold of this one too. I might have a double up. Man, they're just pecking at it. They're not eating it. They're just pecking it. Yes, it's still eating. I'm gonna try some worms on these smaller rods. Alright, we're good on this one. Ooh. Ooh. Nice little guy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. You're nice. You're a nice one. You're a nice little guy. Almost albino. Very light colored. Ooh. Check him out. Let's let him go too. He's a little small. Trying to figure out where to go. Like, where am I? Still swimming the wrong way. Chicken liver's getting hit. Oh yeah. Oh, this guy feels good. Alright, let's see what's stuck somewhere. It feels bigger than all the other ones. Oh yeah. Look at him fighting. Oh, he's the fattest one of today. Yeah. Hell yeah. So I'm talking about chicken liver. Ooh, he's a little girthy one. Yeah, baby. Yeah, you're going on the stringer. Yep. Should have just. Oh, the worm's getting hit. It was just getting hit. That's it. Oh man. See if it comes back.